Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm back with another BMW video for you guys. This is a BMW X5 2010 model. We installed this vertical Android stereo in this car. It looks pretty nice as well. So I'll be talking about its specifications and some of the additional features that you can add to the stereo. If we begin with this stereo, before I start with the specifications, I will let you know that if you install this Android stereo, you don't need to worry about losing any of your older controls, car controls. If you have iDrive or if you have a steering wheel buttons or anything else, you don't need to worry about losing them. The other thing is this stereo is completely Android. This is an Android 10, 64 gigabytes of memory, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 8-core processor, so it's pretty fast and efficient. This is an Android, so it has all the basics Android features, such as it has Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, and so it has some of the basic built-in features, Android features, such as it has Bluetooth, it has Wi-Fi, music player, audio player, everything. It also have the Play Store, which is Android, which is in the Android firmware. You can open the Play Store and download any application you want. You can download YouTube, you can download Netflix, you can watch videos, listen to the songs, do whatever you want, guys. So it's pretty cool feature. The second thing is you don't need to worry about the older stereo. You have the older stereo as well in this car. You can use your iDrive as well, works perfectly. You can also install a back camera to this car. The customer didn't want a back camera, so we didn't install an aftermarket back camera. But obviously you can install a back camera, or if you want to install, you can install a front camera as well, which is a pretty good and unique feature. The other thing is you can also connect in the wireless Apple CarPlay to the stereo. You can use Apple CarPlay with the wire and wireless as well. And other thing, you can use any navigation applications or program you want for all the stereos that we send, or if the customer wants this program iGo Navigation, we give them free of cost. This is not a free program. It costs money, obviously, but we provide our customer with the free software and free updates in future if it comes any update. So this iGo Navigation is completely offline. Like, you don't really need to connect your stereo to the internet in order to navigate. It's completely offline. It takes signals via GSP antenna that we installed right there. So it takes signals from the satellites directly using the GPS antenna, and then you can navigate. You have some other cool features as well, like equalizers, or DSP, in other words, you can say. When you play a song, you can work around with the audio, basically. The pop, classic, rock, you can create your user, higher the bass, distance, or other stuff. If I see dashboard here, if I rev it, it works perfectly. So yeah, you can have some settings here for the dashboard as well, like sport mode. You have like comfort, eco. So it's really cool as well. The other thing is, with this stereo, if you buy from us, you will get 1 year of warranty on the installation and on the product itself. It's completely Android, as I said, so you can do a lot of modifications to it as well. For example, if you want to modify these application themes and other stuff, you can do that. So if you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section, or you can email us or call us as well. And if you live in Stockholm, Sweden, you can visit us as well here on the Malmvägen 18D Sollentuna, Teknik. You can visit us. If you have any questions, you can call us, email us. We will be very happy to answer them. So yeah, that's it for today. I will be back with another video probably next week or this week. So take care, and until the next video, take care, bye bye, Merry Christmas.